Get paid $60 per hour by watching videos. Do you want to learn how to make money online? Well, just follow these simple instructions and I'll show you how. Step 1 is to click to play the video. Step 2 is to watch it for at least 10 seconds. And step 3 is to cash out your earnings and bills. So right now, I'd like you to take a look at all of these videos right here on your phone that can help you make a lot of money online. If you're wondering how much money you can make from watching videos, consider this. If you watch for 1 hour, you can easily earn $40. If you watch for 2 hours, you can earn $80. And if you watch for 3 hours, you can earn $120. And you can do this as many times as you like. And the greatest part is that it's completely free. Which means you won't need any money to get started. And yes, it's available worldwide. All you need is a smartphone or a computer to get started, and you can literally start making money right now. So in this little video, I'll show you how to create a free account and give you a bunch of hints and tips. I'll also show you which videos will pay you the most money. And I'll also show you a live demonstration of how to do it so you can see me do it step by step on this video. Before we go further to this video, welcome to the YouTube channel, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. Number 1. Swagbucks video. Swagbucks gets a lot of attention and is widely considered one of the best overall survey and reward websites. That's partly because it's more versatile than many others. In addition to making money watching ads, you can get paid for taking surveys, playing games, and more. While you're not going to get rich from watching videos and ads through Swagbucks, the extra cash does add up over time, especially if you combine it with some of the better money makers on the site, such as its online shopping portal. For example, if you're booking a vacation, Swagbucks often has cashback offers on travel websites like Expedia that pay up to 5% and occasionally more. These larger purchases are a great way to rack up reward points quickly. Those points, which are called SBS, can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. Number 2. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is another legitimate, widely used website, having paid out more than $59 million to its members since its inception in 2000. Based on the research and testing we conducted for our Inbox Dollars review, that figure seems like the high end of the range. We estimate the average person can earn $25 to $50 per month with consistent usage. As with Swagbucks, you can also earn cash by taking surveys, printing and redeeming coupons, shopping online, browsing the internet and reading emails. And if you're a gamer, you can get paid for playing games like Sudoku, Solitaire, chess, arcade games, and crossword puzzles. You'll also get $5 just for signing up. While the site does have great reviews, the one drawback compared to Swagbucks is that you'll need $30 in your account to request a payment. Swagbucks has no minimum withdrawal, with most of its cash-out options starting at just $3. There's also a $10 sign-up bonus, which you can earn after spending $25 through the cashback shopping portal. Number 3. MyPoints. MyPoints is a decent tool to use to watch ads for money. Some of the entertaining videos you can watch include things like Golden Globes coverage and gossip from Hollywood. The problem is that the videos on the platform don't pay much. But there are other ways to earn extra cash on the site, and most of them pay better. You can cash in on your hobbies to make money, like playing games, traveling, using coupons, and filling out online survey questionnaires. You'll earn a $5 sign-up bonus for taking 5 surveys. And since the minimum payout is only around $3, depending on the option you choose, it's easy to quickly earn a free gift card, travel miles, or PayPal cash. Number 4. AdWallet. AdWallet offers a straightforward proposition. Get paid 50 cents for watching a 30-second ad and answering one simple question about the content. It's the most clear-cut offer of any option on this list, and with a pay rate that adds up to $60 per hour, it's the most lucrative one by a wide margin. Of course, that doesn't mean you should plan on quitting your day job. Like all of the platforms listed here, AdWallet offers a limited number of earning opportunities. The specific amount of videos you'll be able to watch depends on your demographics and household composition. In our initial 30-day test, we received 1 opportunity per week. So while the pay rate of $1 per minute is excellent by any standard, it would take 2.5 months to earn enough to cash out. For comparison's sake, Swagbucks' hourly earning potential isn't nearly as high, but it has a much larger inventory of videos. Plus, there are multiple ways to earn. When you do accumulate $10 in your AdWallet account, you can withdraw your funds directly to your bank account, or choose from around 200 digital gift cards. Note that to use AdWallet, you're required to provide a cell phone number and the system does not accept VoIP numbers, such as those from Google Voice. AdWallet doesn't have an iOS or Android app, so the company uses text messages rather than push notifications to let you know when new videos are available. Number 5. Ibotta. Ibotta is a bit different than other get paid to watch apps, because it's not as simple to use as just clicking play and letting a video roll. But it does offer some of the best reward for effort of any option on this list. After creating an account, you open the app to look for in-store offers that you want to take advantage of. For example, you might see an offer for $1 cash back on any loaf of bread, or $2 cash back when you buy a specific brand of yogurt. To qualify for this cash back, you'll need to click a button to add the offers to your account. And in some cases you'll be asked to watch a short video ad. That's usually the case with the highest value offers. Ibotta started out as strictly a cashback app for groceries, and it's still one of the best ways to save money at the grocery store. But recently, the app has added additional ways to earn rewards, such as via online shopping and by linking your store loyalty cards. Just make sure to grab your receipt. You'll need to snap a picture of it to claim your rewards. So, that's it for today. Was this video helpful? Share your views in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.